Welcome back to our fifth web development tutorial series. I'm gonna show the best way to insert pictures or photos on our web page. Sometimes when we insert pictures on our web page, it can be a problem for the viewer. There may be some errors or there may be some problems to be viewed from our mobile phone, like iOS phone or like Android phone. For example, it may not work well in some mobile phone. Click upon the pencil symbol. If we insert pictures in original size, it becomes too heavy to bear for our web page. It is the best to select the large size or X large size. Just select it. The upper two are not appropriate, for they are too small. Just select large or X large, and after that, update. Now it becomes nice. Shall we view from our mobile phone? Save it and click upon the preview button. Okay, here you can view for tablet. Over here for tablet, this is the way it will work for tablet, and this is for smartphone. Shall we try another one? This one, click upon the picture twice, and after that click upon the pencil symbol, which means change, and select the size of your photo. It is best to keep our photos or pictures in X size or large size, so that it will be seen appropriately, properly by the viewers, especially who are using mobile phones. And after that, update. Okay. Every time you make a change upon your web page, don't forget to save it, and after that we can preview. Okay, this is the preview. This is the preview. Very nice. Now, thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.